Welcome home. We are in Inverness, Florida, and this is a fantastic home on over an acre of land. It is multiple parcels, and so you've got a great big lot with plenty of space to enjoy and keep good privacy. So I'm going to show you around this house, and one of the things you'll notice as we look through is how wonderfully maintained this home is. It was built in 1987, and it has been very loved and cared for. So you can see there's some really neat touches with the decorative wallpaper, big window here in the living room, beautiful chandelier, but lots of natural light, very well laid out rooms. So you've got plenty of space in this living room, and then flows right into this beautiful dining room. Again, very spacious, built-in china cabinet there to make things very functional when it comes to hosting dinner parties. And on this side of the house, we have the guest wing with a hallway to 2 bedrooms. These are good-sized bedrooms. Corner window here so that you have ample space for where you place your bed and your TVs. We have a full bathroom in between, tub shower combo. And then another very spacious bedroom here. Again, you see lots of good natural light. We've got fans and lights in the bedrooms. Very nicely put together home. You're probably noticing the decorative features like the archways between rooms. We are headed into the kitchen now. We've got a solar tube there for natural light, so you don't really even have to turn on all these bright lights, but if you want to illuminate everything, you certainly can. Lots of cabinet space, and in addition to that, we do have a pantry here as well. Right behind these doors is the laundry closet. So it's not a formal interior laundry room, but it is an interior laundry closet. And then right off of the kitchen is the 2-car garage. Now, in addition to this 2-car garage with attic access that you can see there, we also have a detached garage. And that detached garage is a 2-car as well, as 12 by 26 are the dimensions, plus a carport overhang area in addition to that. So tons of parking and storage space, and the detached garage also has a separate driveway to it. So this is the primary suite, and this is on the side of the house. So this house has street access on 3 sides. So the main street is right out front where you came in, and then there's 2 streets on either side of the house because it is a oversized multi-lot corner lot setup. Ensuite bathroom with the jetted tub, and it's a tub shower combo there. Again, lots of space to work with, big linen closet, and then the bedroom here has a nice big closet as well. So now we'll head back through the kitchen. Hopefully you're getting a good feel for the flow of this house, and onto the back family room. This is a huge room, nice sliders to the backyard. You can see we've got the pass-through from the kitchen, so if you're just enjoying, say, Super Bowl game night or any other occasion where you're relaxing and you've got somebody cooking or preparing things for you, you can have them passed right over through that pass-through. This is the screened porch. You can see to the left, there's another covered carport. So again, lots of covered area. Down below, as we step out onto this additional deck area, we have the detached garage that is 12 by 26, and it has the additional covered space on the back that you can see the slanted roof, and you see the paved driveway access to the double door entry there on that garage. This is an incredible property. It has so much to offer. I would love to give you a in-person tour of this home. I don't think it'll be available very long because it is so special, So if you're interested in taking a look, please give me and or anyone on my team a call. You can reach us at 352-794-1426. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty. My team is RES Luxury Group, and we bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee.